Hi, this is Dr. Daniel Miller, board certified chiropractic neurologist, practicing at Complementary Medicine and Healing Arts, 27 Jennison Avenue, Johnson City, New York. Today we're going to cover some postural strengthening exercises. It's a 3-minute workout that will help individuals who are suffering from rounded shoulders, sore back, sore neck. So when you came into the office and I started talking to you and we did some analysis, we discovered that, you might be doing a lot of typing, a lot of gardening, taking care of small children, driving a lot. All these things make us roll our shoulders forward. And a lot of times our head comes with us. When that happens, we start to neurologically not integrate as well. Our muscles in our back start to lengthen when they should be tight. The muscles in the front of our neck and chest start to tighten when they should actually be lengthened. So in the office, I talked to you about doing this short little exercise program in order to help to reintegrate the posterior elements of our back and in return help bring our shoulders back nice and square like we all like it and have our head back so it's not jutting forward. So we're going to go over the 3-minute exercise drill. I'll be demonstrating the exercises. You go ahead and you'll do them for 1 minute, but I'll be demonstrating them for 10 or 15 seconds. Now remember, we're trying to neurologically reintegrate, so we're not just simply saying we're going to do like weightlifting. Rather, we're going to use the concept of neuroplasticity, which states that when you do a habituated exercise over and over, it helps the nervous system to know what it's supposed to correctly do. So in this case, we're going to start out with rows. Now, all you're going to do is you're going to bring your hands out just in front of you, just like I did here. And the key thing is you're going to make sure your shoulder blades come together. You're going to bring them back, squeeze the shoulder blades together, come back out. So that's about to a 2-second count. So it would be 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000. And you're going to repeat this for 1 minute. Now, if it's really too hard for you to go for 1 minute, that's okay. We're going to start wherever we're at. And if you can only do it for 10 seconds, that's what we're going to do. And we're going to start trying to build some strength up and increase our metabolic rate so that we can actually be strong enough to, and neurologically intact enough to perform this exercise. Now from the side, this is what it would look like. Bringing them back. Notice my elbows are in, forcing my shoulders back. We're not coming out here like this because it doesn't bring our shoulder blades together enough. We want to bring them back and forth. You do not need to have any weight to this. It is a repetitive exercise. And of course, we always want to be bringing our shoulder blades together. You'll do this for 1 minute. Turn it around. And then we're going to go to the next exercise. The next exercise, I call them my hallelujah exercises. And what you're going to do is you're going to bring your hands out in front of you, up like this. Try to move back a little here to show you. My hands are up and out. They're not up like I touchdown. They're out in front of me a little. So from the side, you can see they're out in front of me. And I'm going to pull down and back as if my elbow was heading towards my back pocket. And of course, what else are we doing? We're squeezing those shoulder blades together. And we're going to be doing our hallelujahs. Again, for 1 minute. You may start noticing some fatigue. You may start noticing your shoulders are starting to burn. That's okay. That's part of the normal exercise program. If it becomes too intense, then you're simply not there yet. You have metabolic fatigue going on, and you'll have to rest a little. So you may not immediately get to 1 minute. You may, like I said before, only be able to go to 10 seconds. Now the last part, or the last of the 3 shoulder exercises is going to be just shoulder shrugs. And on the shoulder shrugs, you're going to bring your shoulders up, you're going to bring them back and hold, and then relax, come back forward, up, back, and down. And again from the side, this would look like this. Up, back. Notice my elbows are pointing back towards the rear side of me. Squeezing those shoulder blades together, then relaxing. Again, this should be done at a rate of about 1 to the squeeze every 2 seconds. So it's kind of a 4-second count. So 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4. And again, you're going to perform this exercise to up to 1 minute. Now, the last component that we can add to this is many people come in with the forward head carriage, right? So if you have a forward head carriage, you're going to wind up with rounded shoulders. Most people don't just come in looking like this. Usually, they're like this. So to address this issue, we're going to do chin tucks. Chin tucks, I want you to think that you have a piece of string coming out of the top of your head. You're going to be sitting straight forward. You can place your, just for practicing, we're going to place our finger on our chin, and we're going to retract our head like this. A couple seconds, then relax. Now without it. A couple seconds, and relax. Now, these are great exercises to do at every stoplight that you come to. Just again, 1 1000, 2 1000, 1 1000, 2 1000. Now, with your 3-minute workout that I just showed you, you can add these to it. So you can go retraction, retraction. I know it might look a little silly, and that's okay. And here it is from the side. What's this doing is it's causing our posterior elements to fire. The musculature is firing. It's lengthening our chest, our upper neck, tightening up the posterior part of our neck, the musculature back there, and the posterior thoracic spine area. So give this a try. You want to perform this 2 to 3 times a day if you can. And it's a pretty simple exercise. It can be performed almost anywhere and any time. And give that a shot. You'll find that over time your shoulders will come back up. Your head will come back into the proper position. You won't feel like you're walking around like this. And you'll find that the pain that you're getting between your shoulder blades, the headaches you're getting up into the back of your neck, really will reduce simply by doing this really simple exercise, which is great because it limits your time having to come in to see me. Not that I don't like seeing you, but I do my job better when you don't have to come in. So thanks for taking the time to watch this, and come back often, see what other videos we're putting out here, and thanks for taking part of the action potential here at Complementary Medicine. Be well and have a great day.